Thinking about laying laminate flooring yourself? It's easier than you think. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Let your flooring settle. Leave the boxes in the room for at least 48 hours before you start. This lets the laminate adjust to the room's temperature and humidity, so it doesn't expand or shift once it's down. Step 2. Check your subfloor. It needs to be flat, clean and dry. Run a level across it. Any dips or bumps need sorting first, or they'll show through once the floor's laid. Give it a good sweep to clear any dust or debris. A clean subfloor makes all the difference. Step 3. Roll out your underlay. This cushions the floor, helps with sound, and protects against moisture coming up from below. Don't skip it. Step 4. Start in the corner and leave a gap. Begin in the left-hand corner of the room, and leave a small expansion gap, usually around 10 mm between the boards and the wall. Laminate needs room to breathe, and skirting boards will cover the gap anyway. Keep that gap consistent all the way along the first row. Step 5. Click, don't force. Angle each new board into the one before it and press down gently until it clicks into place. If it's not sliding in easily, don't force it. Check the angle and try again. A firm, even press is all it takes to lock it in. Step 6. Stagger your joints. Keep the end joints between rows staggered by at least 20 centimeters. It looks better, and it makes the whole floor stronger. Step 7. Finish with your trims. Once the last board's in, add your skirting boards or scotia to cover the expansion gap and you're done. That's the basics. Simple enough to do yourself with a bit of patience.